Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. I beg to all of you to like and subscribe on my channel, because your support is the best to grow up this channel. Back to topics. So, the OnePlus 6 rumors are beginning to flow, and as we expect the affordable flagship to arrive in the coming months, it's time to get excited about what the plucky startup can bring us this time around. Things are getting tough at the top of the smartphone game, and where OnePlus used to have a dedicated place as the de facto low-cost, great-spec smartphone, that position is increasingly under threat from other brands. The OnePlus 6 is set to replace the OnePlus 5T, which was already one of the more impressive phones of 2017. Finally bringing the longer display that was so fashionable among the other big brands, as well as improvements to the camera. It looks like the OnePlus 6 price will be the highest the firm has ever charged for a smartphone. The latest leak points to a OnePlus 6 price tag of $749, which equates to around £530, $970, but that will likely raise to around £700 in reality when the UK prices are announced. To put that into context, the $499 price tag of the 5T would have been around £320 when converted, but landed at £449/$599 on the shelves. A small price increase wouldn't be a surprise considering the specs rumored for the OnePlus 6 and its competition in the market, but a jump quite this large will be hard for some fans to handle. With the OnePlus 5T already boasting a 6.01-inch display, rumors that the OnePlus 6 screen will measure 6.28 inches are now even more believable. Finally, OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei also confirmed that the firm's next device will retain a headphone jack, which will be music to many people's ears. This news chimes with a leaked image from Evleaks which shows the OnePlus 6 touting a similar style to the OnePlus 5T. It looks to have a textured back and a realigned camera module. A leaked specs list reveals that the OnePlus 6 might have a dual lens f/1.7 camera on the back with 20MP and 16MP sensors, the same as the OnePlus 5 tons. However, the front-facing camera is listed as being a 20MP f/2.01, up from 16MP on the OnePlus 5 tons. The same leak lists a 3450 mAh battery, which would be a slight increase on the 3300 mAh juice pack in the OnePlus 5 tons. It's worth noting that most of these specs match the Oppo R15, which makes sense, since OnePlus flagships are often similar to Oppo ones, as the two companies are linked. It currently looks unlikely that the OnePlus 6 will support wireless charging. The company has confirmed that the OnePlus 5T doesn't due to the tech not being a match for wire-charge, and we doubt it will have advanced enough for OnePlus to reverse its decision for the OnePlus 6. Thanks for watching, so always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends, cause you all the best.